Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today it's giveaway time. It's been a hot minute since I've had a giveaway, so I figured it was definitely time to do that. This is going to be USA only because it does have liquids in it, and I apologize to my international peeps, my friends that live across the seas, but this one's going to be just for the United States. So let's just hop on into it. This is all Miniology stuff. We've got this cute little package of little bitty nail emery boards. Aren't those cute? I just love those. They'll go great in a purse. And then we have some, I don't know if these are stickers or water decals. I guess I should have done my, checked it out before I got into this. But we've got this cute sheet. I love these. These are so speaking to me. And then we've got some more that are leaves. I'm really thinking these are stickers. I really, really do think they're stickers. And then we've got a couple of Bundle Monster. They're trying to get rid of their old stuff, I guess. Scraper cards. And then we've got this, and this is like that iridescent, like stripes, tapes, because they got lines in it. So, you know, you would cut off what you need and add it to your manicure. And then now for some fun stuff, because you guys know I love stamping. This is the Miniology Got Nail BM XL 212. This is like an underwater scene with little mermaids, and you got the scales and some like chevrons and just a bunch of really cute images. But you got some feathers and some triangles, and I love that image. I don't even know what to describe that. And these look like mermaid fins and dolphins, and you got some different ocean waves down here. I love they've got the backing on them. And then we've got another plate, and this is Miniology and Paulina's Passions BM XL 216. We've got like the origami looking pet, a dream catcher, and some arrows, and just some different, oh, and that's like a marble design, and then some flowers, and some more flowers, an anchor, and then some flowers, and some roses with chevrons, and these look like poppies. So another one with the backing. And then we've got this one. And this is Miniology and Kate Jack. And it's BM XL409. It's got an alien here. And then Stay Weird. And some beautiful women faces. They're so pretty. And then an eye. And just very, very unusual plate. You got this face with, but it's got like some kind of weird image in it. I love it. And the jars, the two jars are so cool. And a hand with like stones and a moon in it. I just love unusual stuff. And you got lips down here, eyes, and another alien face. Very, very cool. And then next we have some more Miniology goodies. So I'm going to turn some lights back on so that we can see these. It's just tricky with these stamping plates, I'm telling you. So I did open these because I wanted to make sure that, you know, you got to see. This is Woolly B258. Beautiful kind of mauve-y color for stamping. We got the swatch dots on top. And this one is It's Lit. Beautiful gold stamping polish. You know, gold's just one you can use over and over with all kinds of stuff. And I did have to open these because I wanted to show, well, I wanted to show what was in them. Okay. We're going to have to get up under here. So, they're not sealed anymore. But I didn't use these for anything. These are brand new. And then, next we have, okay, this one is Hibiscus. It's kind of like a corally orangey color. And then, this is one of my new favorites. I just can't get over it. And this one is called Coconut. And it's an off-white, kind of a really light beige. So, there you have it, sports fans, nail fans, people that love nail art. That is the giveaway. So, we've got 4 stamping polishes. We've got 3 stamping plates, some nail lines, a couple of scrapers, a couple of packs of stickers, and these cute little emery boards. Okay, so, as always, the rules are very simple. I like to keep it simple. I don't want to make you jump through hoops. This is my appreciation to you for supporting me and my little channel here on YouTube. So, you just have to be one of my subscribers. That's it. And for this one, you have to live in the United States. I do need you to be over 18 or have your parents' permission. Don't want to be doing nothing all sneaky and everything. So, that is the giveaway. I'm going to run this until, how about we do this one until Christmas. I'll end up, now you won't be able to find out until like that Thursday or Friday, because you know, we're not going to be, but I'm going to do the cut off. You can say, you know, I want in on the giveaway or all that. Up until Christmas Day. After Christmas is over, I'm going to close it down, and then we're going to pick a winner. I will give the winner, you know, 2 days to get in touch with me to claim their prize, and if they don't, then I'll pick another winner. It's just that easy. So, you guys, I can't tell you how much I appreciate your support, and I do want to have more giveaways soon. I might go back to doing those sneaky giveaways, because I really enjoy them. So, that is it for me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or evening, morning, wherever you are. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.